Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Welcome to yet another makeup tutorial. As you can see, I forgot to prep my face, but yeah, don't be like me. So we're gonna start by covering up my dark marks, and I'm using my LA Girl concealer. I forgot the shade, I'll just write it on the screen. And then next up we have my foundation. My foundation was finished, so I just had to cut so that I can get every bit and piece. Okay, so I'm just blending out my foundation. Just make sure that you blend it out for a smooth finish. Just look at that blend. Like, I love this foundation because it blends so well with my skin and it covers up my dark marks so perfectly. So next up we're gonna go on and conceal my under eye. So I'm gonna be using the LA Girl concealers. I think the other one is in the shade Fawn, and I used a brighter one. I'm not too sure of the shade. You just want to make sure that you take a concealer that's slightly lighter than your foundation so that you can have that brighter under eye and your face will be more defined. So after that, I blend my concealer in. So you want to dab it in, not like brush it off. So you're like dabbing it in so that it builds up and you have a flawless base. Oh, and if it's your first time here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It will really mean a lot to me. And please watch the video until the end. Thank you. The key is just to blend. Make sure you just blend so that you don't have any harsh lines, because don't want to be looking weird. So next up, I am contouring my nose with a darker shade concealer. I think this is in the shade Dark Cocoa. Next up is the setting powder. So I realized my phone wasn't recording when I was using the setting powder, so I used the LA Girl setting powder and I really love it, and it's so affordable. So after that, you just want to contour. I use my eyeshadow, just a darker shade eyeshadow, and then I just contour my face. Once again, the key is to just blend in everything, because we just try to avoid harsh lines that will make you look weird. After that, we go on and brush off our setting powder and just make sure that you blend that out as well. Next up is the blush. So I just use the eyeshadow palette as well. I just took a dark orangish, like burnt orangish color, because I really love my eyeshadow looking a bit orange, not too pink. And then we go on and use a setting spray. I use the Signature setting spray. I love that setting spray. It's so affordable and it leaves you looking like a glazed donut, and I'm just here for it, even though my skin is very oily, but I love the finished look. Next up, we're doing the lips, and I'm just using a lip liner. The first one is a bit orange. I didn't like how that turned out, so I went ahead and used a brown pencil because it looks more defined. And I went ahead as well and just used my brown lipstick. This is from Avon, and I don't have a lipstick that is nude, so I went ahead and used my concealer, and it worked out so perfectly. So I was trying to achieve an orangish lip combo, and I just used my orange concealer as well, just blending it out to make sure that it's blended perfectly. Next up, I used my Lip Therapy lip gloss just to have that finish, just to have that glossy finish, and I am obsessed. I really loved the final look. So I always make sure that I put enough gloss because you can never have too much gloss. And then I just go ahead and cover my pimples with the mascara. No, not a mascara, it's a eyeliner. Yes, I just cover my pimples, and this is how I look after. I really love this makeup look. I think it looks so clean, so simple, and straight to the point. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.